They'll never know.
They'll never. Uh-oh.
Well, this motherfucker spot. Oh, shit.
Down he goes. Down he goes.
Fuck you. My ass hurts.
It's over with.
That motherfucker broke.
Like you thought I was gonna get up there.
Oh, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Chilling with T. Thanks for tuning in. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and if you see something, you want to comment through, go ahead and comment, man. But anyway, today is the day that I've been waiting on. Y'all might have been waiting on it too, but today is the motherfucking day that I put the slap in. The slap wagon. Man, it's been a long time coming. I've probably been building this damn Skar system for about 9 months now. It's not too long. It's just a budget build. I probably spent, $1,200-1,300 on all this shit. And I actually can sell one of the amps because I don't need one. But, here he goes. And there's all this shit I gotta pull out in here. There's the speakers. Now I got my wires, my amps, my tweeters, 6.5, all in the mix. So back here somewhere, I gotta pull all this shit out. Let me pull this shit out. I'll line it up, let y'all see what all I got. Okay, so pretty much I got the two Skar SDR 12s. I think they're rated at $1,200 a piece. I'm not sure. Do not quote me on that. If you want to know the truth, look it up for yourself. But I also have my 3 amps as well. First, my monoblock, the Skar RP 2000. Then you got my 4-channel, the Skar RP 150.4. And this one right here, the Skar RP 75.4. I'm actually gonna sell this one. Didn't mean to order it. Actually ordered the wrong damn one, but this is up for sale, as you can see. Yeah, I done that scratch when I opened the damn box. I mean, damn, I ain't even opened this one yet, to be honest. Get that thing, there we go. But yeah, man, yes, I did open this one. Yeah, I mean, brand spanking new. None of these amps have never seen any power at all. Brand, I can't wait to put this shit in too. And there's my crazy ass uncle. Matter of fact, I got a clip that I'm gonna insert in the video, man, of him busting his ass. Yeah, I'm gonna help you. Hold on, let me wrap this video up real quick. I also got my 4 6.5s as well. Yes, sir. Yeah, I already took this one out the plastic and shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And all of them came with Skar stickers. I probably got like 8 of these motherfuckers, man. If y'all need a Skar sticker, hit me up. I will send you one. Trust me, I have no problem doing it. It would not even charge for it. What's it? It's the FSX 65-4. I got another set right here as well. And I also have my tweeters. I think I showed y'all these already. I'm not sure, but it's not gonna hurt to show y'all again. Fuck you, man. Yeah. I need to put all this shit back in the car too as well. But yeah, here's my tweets right here. What are these? TXT versions. Yeah, man, this shit gonna be screaming. I got my wiring kit right here. Don't worry about it. It's cheap. Hell, it's a budget bill. I had to go cheap on something. And I got my random shit, which I actually forgot. Yeah, this is splitters that I don't fucking need no more. Did I even open this one? Oh yeah, these are my RCAs right here. I went and got some Rockville RCAs. It's like pretty much nah, these are just the regular 2-channel. What's my 4-channel RCAs there? I think here it is right here, man. Got the RCAs on deck. Got the 12 gauge wire. I was gonna go with Skar 12 gauge wire, but they always sold out and I didn't feel like waiting. And I got my, what is this? Battery terminals, okay. What the hell? Oh yeah, once again. Alright man, I think I got everything. Showed you about everything. Another set of RCAs. I got too many sets of RCAs now. I have to sell some. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start installing this shit, man. I think I got everything I need, but first, we'll help my uncle real quick. I see mosquitoes, they don't play. They some motherfucking gangsters out here. But anyway, I guess I can show you how to take, I sleep done popped it off already, but you just take any screwdriver, come up behind him, you know, pop all this shit off, come out pretty easy. Got two little clips down here, shit, I already took them off. One right here, and one on the back of the lighter. Let's see if I can find them hoes. Yeah, pretty much just a little push terminal. So, oh shit, that hurt. Yeah, just push it down. That's all you gotta do. Same thing with this one. But be careful though. The little pieces. The piece is just fragile. So yeah, it's a little fragile, so be careful. And then, you know, you got those right there. They're all the same. But let me take those off real quick so I can take this radio out, the RCAs, and the remote wire. I think that's all I gotta do behind the radio. Hey, I just seen something with these RCAs I want to point out to y'all. I don't know if it makes a big deal, but it's a little weird to me. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can tell. Oh, let me get this shit out the sun first. Got some of this shit up there. Alright, now, like that's a 4-channel set right here. You know, just a single 2-channel, 4-channel. Crazy thing is, I ordered these two at the same time. They're the same color, and they also say, I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, this is a good camera. See, it has the writing on the premium model, interconnections. See, it actually has the writing on everything. Don't mind my hands are dirty. I'm working on a damn car. I mean, the same with these as well. It has the same. So it has the same writing on it. And all three of them are Rockville. And this is just a different color for some odd reason. I mean, no writing on it at all. I don't know, man. That's why I'm glad I didn't need all these RCAs. I really don't know what I was thinking. But I'm going to get rid of these. I'm going to use these. This is a matching set. They have the writing on them. Hopefully they're OFC copper. If not, oh well. Yeah, my zero gauge probably isn't either. It's just a budget bill. But that's something I thought I'd just point out to y'all. I don't know if y'all think that's weird or not. Just, you know, drop some down in the comments, man. It's supposed to be the same thing. I mean, even though, hold on. See if I can find the bag it came out of. Yeah. Here you go. See the model number, RTR 204. Same thing right there, RTR 204. I do find though that this is, I don't know if it's an order number or not. That number different, but it's supposed to be the same exact thing. No sir, not getting used. Alright, got all the RCA plugged up, got the remote wire hooked up. So behind the radio, done. Now it's onto the door panel. I would do the driver's side first, but as you see, that sun is over there, roasting that side of the car. Good gracious. So, start over here in the shade. So, I mean, pretty much to get these door panels off, it's pretty easy. Pretty much you just got these two little screws right here. It actually takes a, what the hell is this? T30. See if it was on. I don't know if you can see it or not. And screw it. And then also right here, this is a little thing you just push in and it comes right on out. It's right here. Literally take like a little pin, push the damn thing in, and it just comes right on out. But yeah, man. Now let me oh yeah, and there's something else too. Hold on. I'm not sure what the fuck this is. I just not seen it. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, let me pull this motherfucker off real quick, see what it is. Alright, and if you guessed another T30, you are correct. And let me take these three out and get this door panel off. And here I go breaking shit already, man. Well, really, ain't even my damn fault. Put like it, check this shit out. Oh, and before you take your door panels off, be very gentle and careful. Look at this. Just crack these shit out of this little thing, man. Why? Cause the bottom of that motherfucker rusted in the sun, bitch. It's like get held on to it, man. And you can't really just get up under that, get nothing to wedge it out. You just gotta pull on that motherfucker and hope for the best. Unless, y'all know another way, but by the time I put the video, I would have been done had this shit hooked up already. But, if you can think of an easier way, let me know. But yeah, if you go ahead and take this old shit out and put the new in. Alright, one more thing I wanted to show y'all real quick. Well, I didn't get to show y'all because I didn't record it, but I'm not going to take it back apart because it was an absolute bitch getting it through. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you driver's side. Hold on. Yeah, it's the old slat wagon. I swear, I got to get that damn hood fixed. It just bothers the hell out of me. Like, it's closed, but it looks like it's open. Alright, right here. Actually ran the wire through the garment. Just not early 2000s or, late 90s car. It actually has like little plastic things. I'm not sure what you would call it. It's my first time actually doing one. But this year, usually people just run their factory speakers. But, just to get that, I ran 16 gauge wire through it. Just to get that wire through here, dude, it's hell. I mean, I got it ran through there, as you can see, but put it like this. I will tell you this. I do got to redo the back ones because I ran out of monster wire, so I had to run to Walmart, get some damn 16 gauge. I really don't like using Walmart shit, but I'm gonna give me some more monsters. Just let Triangle Express was out, so just ran through that all nice. I'll show y'all how I done it once I get some more wire. Until then, this is gonna have to do. First time using a rotary tool, what you think? Send that. Looks good, looks good. Now let's hope I can do that with the rest of them. Alright, first time putting tweeters inside the door panel. I just want to ask y'all, see how I done. I think I done pretty damn good. Let me get your opinion on it. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Send looks good too. There's a back door. I wanted to put it beside the speaker down here, but I mean, of course, this doesn't. That's a pocket, of course, and just, like it's gonna get kicked down here by my kids and other people. So I'm like, I'm not gonna put it right here. So I decided to just put it up here. Probably gonna be screaming up here. I might hurt some people's ears, but at this point, I don't care. I do not sit in the back seat. Of course, my kids in there, I'll turn it down, but. I actually done pretty good cutting the hole too. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Looks good, don't it? Yeah. I ain't like, here's one I fucked up on. I'm not gonna show you, but you would never tell unless I take that motherfucker off. And by the way, if I do sell the car, I am selling it with the tweeters and the doors in, because I do not want to go through the hell of taking this shit out of me. Yeah, if one for this little motherfucker right here, that damn rotary tool, ain't no way in hell would have got that shit done right. Whew. Look at this shit here. It's gonna get ugly before it get pretty. Just so I can show you some B-roll of it. B-roll.